Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to create a user. The user will run a script and he will be logged out. As you can see, I am on my Ubuntu terminal. First of all, I will type sudo, then the add user command, then the name of my user. Type your password. So now give the user a password. Type the password again. Here you can give some additional information or you can skip by pressing enter. Now press Y to complete the process. Now go to your root directory. Then create a directory. So I will create a file here. I will call it my script. Okay. Write the following lines in your script. Here this echo line will record the execution time at my script log file. Then this condition will check if a shell is login shell or not. For non-login shell, it will execute the exit command. To save the script, press Ctrl O, press enter. To exit, press Ctrl X. As you can see, only the root user has access to our file and we need to give execution permission to our user. To change the ownership of the file, type the following command. Then change its permissions. Let's check that the script runner, as you can see, our user is a owner now as a group, of course, and he has reading, writing and execution permission. Now we need to change the permissions and ownership of the directory. Let's go back. First check its permissions and ownership. And you can see that only the root user has access to the my folder directory. Let's change it. Also change its permission. Again, we can check it by typing the following command. So yeah, as you can see, the ownership has changed and the script runner user has reading, writing and execution permission. Now I will verify if everything is working properly or not. Change the user, then give his password. Okay, you can see that the username has changed. Now go to the my folder directory. Okay, let's source the script. Now I will check the log file. Again, go to my folder directory. As you can see, there is a log file. And as you can see, the last time is similar to our time. So it is working properly. First, change the user. Give the password. Now we need to edit the bashrc file. Add this line at the end. Press Ctrl O, then enter to save and Ctrl X to exit. Now let's exit from it. I will change the user. Provide your password. As you can see, I am logged out immediately. Check our log file. The execution time and my current time is similar, so everything is working properly.